As far as reducing my heat usage on week 2, that wasn't difficult for me. I simply just had to remind my roommates that this is the second week of my sustainable lifestyle project that I consulted with them about on week 1. And they had no problem participating with me an extra day. I just had to remind them. Just to reiterate, the days that we decided to reduce our heat usage were Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And we did this by not touching the thermostat at all, whether it be for heat or for AC. The way we were able to overcome the coldness was simply just by bundling up or wearing an additional layer. And to overcome the heat, because Chico's been warming up in temperatures recently, we would open up the windows at night and leave them open so there would be circulation through the house. And then early in the morning, we'd close them so before it got hot in the afternoon, our house would stay nice and cool during the day. It's really cool to see how these small changes can contribute together to make a big impact. By not touching my thermostat, whether it be for AC or heat, I'm helping the environment by reducing my gas emissions, and I'm also saving money on top of it. So me and my roommates are all really excited to see our next PG&E bill come in the mail because it's probably going to be a lot less.